yeah, I know you're like probably thinking, Rem, where's your wig? I look cute with or without a wig, to be honest. I ain't gonna front. Today we got an unboxing. So I haven't even seen this wig yet. Like, I'm a bit excited, I can't lie. This wig is from Hairvivi, and before I even start opening it up, like, this has been in my room for a good like 6 days, and usually when I get hair I just rip up the box and I just look at the hair. I get all excited. This time I waited so you guys can open it with me. This is from Hairvivi. The packaging though, like, it actually comes like this. Like, you take it out of your I think it came from by DHL. Take out the DHL packaging and you're seeing this. I looked at it, I said, child, okay, the wig game is stepping up. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this. Woo. They mentioned that the wig is a no cornrow needed, no wig cap and stocking cap needed, no fake scalp needed, no plucking and bleaching needed. Yeah, so basically we don't need to do anything, ladies. Like, this is a I'ma dash it on and go. So it comes in like this plastic bag. So they give you a toning guy comb and toning guy clips. Yeah, I'm seeing the goodness already. So it comes like this in a net. Oh child, this is pretty. Yeah, the hair's soft, the hair's pink. 10 out of 10 for the hair. 10 out of 10 for the hair. The lace as well, like, the lace is looking like a brilliant, excellent match. The lace is an excellent match. Okay, can you guys see, yeah, that the knots are bleached? Like, I don't know if you can, but can you see that the knots are bleached? So if you don't want to bleach your knots, then ladies, I feel like this is the wig. And it comes with like an elastic band inside that is customized. It says Hairvivi. Has like the little, you know, like on your bra strap when you can adjust it. It's a bit like that. So inside looks like this. A nice amount of parting space. I'm very excited. And it's like, okay, cool. So you know how like you can put a stocking cap on, yeah? They're too clever, they're too clever. Because look, it's like they put a stocking cap underneath the lace already. Do you see that? So it's done, it's done. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh yeah, and I haven't plucked the hairline at all. See, with me, I usually pluck a little bit more, but this is good. This is, I haven't glued this down. Like, I'm gonna add baby hairs because that's how I am, but the fact I haven't even glued this down, yeah, that's really good. The wig is a bit small for me. I'm not gonna lie, the wig is a bit small for me, but we're gonna make it work. One thing that I'm not really happy about is that the wig, like, is quite small. I measured my head properly. Like, I normally always get a medium, and maybe I'm putting weight on my head, but the wig is very small. Like, it's way too small for me. So I would probably suggest when you're buying your wig, buy it a couple sizes up to avoid disappointment, because I waited quite a while for this wig and it doesn't fit that well. Remember, I haven't bleached the knots, I haven't tinted anything. This is just exactly how it comes. And if I wanted to, I could part it here like this, or I could part it like, wait, do you reckon I could do cornrows? Let's see. Yeah, I could. So anyways, I'm just gonna leave it here anyway, but I don't understand why it won't just look the same on both sides. I don't know if I coded it wrong, but cool. So let's start with the packaging. Packaging was so nice. Like, I haven't seen a hair company put that much effort into the packaging like yet, I don't think. So 10 out of 10 for their packaging. In terms of like everything to do with like the lace and whether the wig actually matched what it said it was gonna do, 10 out of 10, because you can literally, like I showed you earlier, you can part it anywhere. It's super easy, like it's pre-plucked. I haven't plucked this anymore personally, just because of how I usually wear my wigs. I would pluck more just because of how I like the finish to look, but I know some people don't really like too much plucking, so if you don't, then you could bang it on straight away. In terms of the wig cap, I would say the wig cap is good. Like the band that they put inside is good as well. However, I measured my head perfectly and I was supposed to be a 21 inches is usually a small wig cap. I decided to go for a medium. The medium was still too small, so I don't know if my measurements are wrong, if their measurements are wrong, but it's a bit annoying because I had to pull it a lot more forward. Like, I have a big forehead, my forehead's not this small. I don't really like it when my wigs come this far forward, but I just kind of done it to show you guys how it looks anyway. But if maybe they could sort out their wig sizing, that would be better. The hair itself is very nice. It's very nice and shiny, gives a nice finish. It just was a little bit difficult to straighten and to curl, so I'm not sure if maybe when I wash it, it will be a lot easier to work with. But yeah, these are my final thoughts. In terms of shedding today, I'm looking on the floor and on my legs, and I only have a couple of strands, like a couple little break-offs maybe from the ends from when I was just brushing it. But yeah, I think this wig is very nice. Like, the lace has melted so well. Bear in mind, I put no makeup and I put no concealer, no stocking cap. I do have cane rolls underneath this, but you don't actually need cane rolls either. So if you're the type of girl that just likes to bang it in a bun and then put your wig on, you're good to go. So this is the body wave unit, and I have curled it. There is going to be a video, there should already be a video on my channel actually on how I curl my hair. This time I just curled it towards my face rather than away from my face. And yeah, any questions about the hair or anything like that, just keep putting them in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, thank you so much.